Hello, welcome back. In the second part of the video, we are going to see how we can finally create linear density map after we have merged the lineament from DM and that of magnetic data. Let's open it. First of all, we need to open any of the projects we have done before. Let me take that of Curie depth or open it. Okay, able to make the work speeder. So as open, all you need to do is come here, file, then save a copy, and I'll call it Lineaments. Lineament, then save. Then come here, then open now that lineament. Then now we can off this layer. As you can see them, there are two here. So we can off those ones, remove, then click on this color bar, remove, then come to this, then go back to raster images. So let's see where we have saved it. The other time, I don't know where we have saved it. Let's see. I think this was the one we saved the other time. Where do we save it? Let's see. File, where do we actually save this one? It's not here. Let's see. Radio matrix, raster images. It's not here. Shape file. Where do we actually save it? Let's see. Our data. We'll go back to our save file. Let's bring this lineament. The lineament, then go back here. Let's create it. I think we didn't save it all that time. Let's bring the lineament we created, then data management tools. Data management tools, spatial analysis tool, density, line density. This is what we have. We'll save it somewhere. I cannot remember the actual location. Then this is environment, processing extent, the study area. Now let's default. Then let's see. Okay. So this is what we have. Then click on this one. General lineament, move this one. Apply this. Double click on this one, so that I can also remove this one. Apply, then okay. Now let's see. This is we have. They call this data management tools. sampling, raster processing, resample. Then now can now enter it and change the cell size to 30. Cell size to 30, then we'll set the output. You see, I put it under lineament raster under papers. You see, it was under papers. That you don't need this one. I've seen it. Remove. Okay. All you need to do is to go under papers. Save it wrongly. Just click on this last one. Control X. Go to raster images, then paste it here. And go back to I've done that the other time. Then come here, then add data. Then we go one more time. Then raster images, then this. Okay, and these are the lineament, which you can give it a color of this. Okay, can now remove this raster here to left only with the towns. Click on this. So we have this. So, okay, now it's been adjusted. So now I put the shift key, move it down. Then we'll click on this. We call this the lineament density map. Stretch. All shade, then apply, then OK. Then click on this lineament density, remove this name, density, then apply, then OK. See, we have lineament density map. Arrow is there, then now legend. Oh, remove this, remove this, remove this. Remove this. I'll call it the lineament density. Then next, finish. So now paste it here. Remember, we can just press the shift key and move it a bit. The items, the style. Yeah, this style is okay, and okay. 10. Go down. Then save. I'll come here, export. Then go back to result, lineament, density. So if we open this, result, we'll see now we have the lineament density map of the study area. So we can come here, we'll click on this, then this, save, then we'll export again, then click on save, yes. So this is a lineament density map. Study area, this is what we have. So that's how we do it.